Hi, my name is Gracie Jones, and this is my ePortfolio for LTLE 370. So I'm just going to start off with how to navigate around my website. This is the home screen where you'll be able to find a little bit about me. So you'll be able to find my year, my major, my minors, and then what I do while I'm working at school. And then you also will see that I have a link to some pictures of me and my dog, which we will go on to last just because I think it's the most exciting. Down at the bottom of my home screen, I have my LinkedIn, so if you were to just click this, it would take you to my profile. And then I also have my email, so if anyone were want to contact me, then you would be able to easily access that. So for my menu items, I have home, obviously, and then I have my artifacts. So if you were to just hover over this, you would see that I have 4 through 10 linked, but if you were to actually just go ahead and click this button, it would take you to 1 through 3. I'm just going to quickly show you what some of my artifacts are and how they work. So the snip one is very simple, it's just this photo, but if you were to come down to the interactive timeline, you would have to click this photo and it's going to take you to a little link where you're just going to click on that and you can see my whole site where I created an interactive timeline. So any of these purple dots, you just click on those and it takes you to the different events. So we're going to go ahead and click out of here and go back to my website. If you were to scroll down, you would see that I have an Addy model. This photo shows you all of the different areas of the Addy model, but if you were to click on the photo, I go into more depth about what each letter actually means. So we're going to just check out 4 through 6 really quickly. My concept map is very similar to the interactive timeline. You just click this and then there's a link to my concept map. Photoshop is just like the snip one, it's just a photo, but for my standards video, what you would do is you would actually click this, and then when we hit this next arrow, my video is going to start playing, so we're just going to play a second of that. So starting off with standard number 1, content knowledge. So that's an example of what a video might look like on my site. But lastly, we're just going to go back to the home screen where I told you we were going to look at pictures of my dog. So we're going to go ahead and click on this button here, and it's going to take us to these cute pictures of Phoebe. I just thought these would be fun to include because who doesn't love pictures of dogs? But that is all I have, so I really appreciate y'all listening to this, and I hope you all like it.